Hi, I'm TA Play, your trading buddy. So welcome to our latest episode of our Play Daily Review. So before I proceed for today, I would like to apologize to all of my audience. Yeah, because due to some company issues, we had actually paused daily updates for past few episodes. So yeah, everything has settled down and now we are back. All right. So we're back with the daily updates. So for those who are watching our video for the first time, I would like to let you know that our daily review will be focusing on the chart technical analysis, the TA, because we believe the chart is the best insider. So if you know how to read the chart, then you will know, or you will get to know a lot of hidden message behind the chart. All right. Okay. So let's proceed to the content for today. Um, the first chart that I'm going to show you for today is the chart of Dow Jones Index, right? Okay, so we have seen for the past few days, you can see the continuation of the rebound play of the Dow Jones Index. Yeah, it's still bullish so far. Then from the chart, you can see um, the momentum is getting stronger, especially when the candlestick on the 7th of December has actually break the important resistance and it the index has been supported well above the resistance above the support for the next 2 days, and then you can see for at the 10th of the December it's actually did a gap up again. Yeah, so you can see the momentum is getting stronger, and the other side you can also see the moving average. Yeah, the moving average is now doing a golden cross. Yeah, so as long as the next trading day it doesn't close in red or it doesn't break the support, then most probably this trend reversal is going to be solid. All right, if this trend reversal is going to be solid, then we will see whether the momentum can continue for the index to actually test, yeah, the previous high of around 36 to 30, 36 and 500 point. All right, so far the important support that you need to see is this red line. All right, as long as it is supported above this red line, then um the overall bullish formation is still intact. Yeah, all right, you can see the dip V rebound over here. So yeah, in overall it's still bullish. All right, so that's the chart for Dow Jones. Then we go into the chart of NASDAQ. All right, NASDAQ, you can see that it's even stronger than Dow Jones. Yeah, because as I had mentioned earlier, NASDAQ is the strongest chart amongst the three major indices of the US market. Yeah, because the one of the important indicator is it just break the MA50 for once. Yeah, for once you can see there are like what we saw just now. Yeah, for Dow Jones you can see it has been staying below the MA50 for few days. Yeah, so the MA has ever performed a death cross, so it's changed to bullish to the bearish formation before. So for Nasdaq, yeah, for Nasdaq, in overall it still maintain and a bullish formation. Yeah, because you can see the moving average line is maintained sustained at a golden cross formation. All right, that's the first thing. And the second thing is on this day, yeah, on 3rd of December, it had just break the MA50 for once, and then the next day it rebound and able to sustain above MA50. All right. So far we can see a good potential for Nasdaq to actually retest the previous high. All right, which is around this line. All right, which is around this line. So this is a point that we need to monitor whether it will continue the bullish formation. And of course, the most importantly is it needs to be supported above the moving average in order for the momentum to continue. All right. And lastly, we look at the chart of S&P 500. All right. All right. You can see the S&P 500, although it's not the strongest previously, yeah, because it has break the MA50 support, important support for twice, yeah. This is the first time and this is the second time, but then it's still able to rebound, and then you can see the buying pressure is actually pushing the index up. Yeah, and majority is was being contributed by mega companies like Apple. Yeah, so You can see on 10th of December, yeah, the S&P 500 is actually closed as the highest point of the history, yeah, historical high over here, which is at the point of 4,718. All right, so when we're combining the review, I mean the analysis of three major indices in the US market, you can see that the rebound play is solid so far. Yeah. So if there's no any surprise for us for the research on data of the new variant of Omicron, then we can see that the US market will most probably will able to retest and break the previous high and continue the bullish formation. All right. Okay. So we have reviewed the three major indices of the US market. Let us continue with our counters for today. The first counter that I'm going to show is CRM, yeah, Salesforce.com. All right. So, yep, you can see that chart is a typical chart for trend reversal. All right, because you can see that it's a bullish formation before that and a typical uptrend. Yeah, it's typical uptrend which supported well on the moving average line. Then at this point, yeah, after the candlestick break the moving average supports, then you can see this perform death cross and it had reversed from a bullish into the bearish formation. All right. And so far you can see after the sharp drop of these 2 days, then you can see the share price is trying to do a rebound over here, but I would say that it still have the chance, of course, but then the possibilities from me as what I see is minimal, because you can see the big gap over here has formed a big wall. I would say a big wall and a big resistance for the price to rebound further. All right, because you can see it's a double resistance over here. The first is the resistance of the gap, and second one is the resistance of the moving average. All right, so I don't think in short term, I mean maybe in 1 month's time, I don't think in 1 month's time the share price able to break this resistance. Yeah, I will draw a line for you. All right, I don't think it can break this resistance, and so fast we can say reversal. I don't think so. Yeah, maybe it will still have the chance to retest the support at $251. All right, so for those who are having stress on this, you might need to take note and monitor closely, because if it retests the support and it fails, then it might just go lower. All right, so this line 251, yeah, is an important support. You need to be supported in order for it not to test any lower prices. Okay, because you can see, if you see from the bar of the, I mean the momentum, yeah, you can see that it's actually getting weakened. Yeah, it's getting weakened after the big, I mean the sharp drop over here. So normally for cases like this, yeah, for chart like this, it almost have a very least possibilities to rebound strongly in the near term. Okay, so yep, so this is my review on the Salesforce.com. And next we move into the counter cost Suncor Energy. All right, okay, so yep, so the chart for Suncor Energy so far, I would say it's a time for it to choose a direction. Yeah, for those who are having tickets at, I mean having shares in this counter, you need to monitor whether, yeah, whether this price level is already the top. Okay, of course we doesn't know so far, but then you need to monitor. I think it's a bit topish over here, because you can see it's still from a double top. Yeah, this is the first top, it's a double top. It had tested the resistance for 2 times and it failed to break out, so I would say it's a bit topish. All right, and then there's the first point. The second point is you can see the moving average has actually performed a small death cross over here, and then they're actually testing the support of MA50. All right, although this let me zoom in for you. All right, you can see that the share price has actually break the MA50 for the first time and here for the second time, although it able to rebound back. But then you can see, you need to know, you need to monitor whether how strong the selling pressure is. All right, if the selling pressure is still there, then I think this support of MA50 may not be able to sustain for too long. Yeah, if the share price going lower and break the support of MA50, then most probably it will form a trend reversal from bullish to bearish over here. Alright, so for those who are actually having shares, maybe this is the last opportunities for you to sell at a pretty good price. Alright, maybe there's the there's the last opportunities. Yeah, so this is the line of support. Yeah, double support, I would say, yeah, together with the gap support and also the MA50 support. So this is line is an important support, yeah, around the pricing of 24 to 24 dollars. Yeah, $24, it should be the important support. So you need to take note on this. And for those who are not having holdings in this counter, if personally for me, I would actually wait, yeah, wait to see whether the share price can sustain above this important support, and then I will monitor if the price able to rebound back and perform a death cross again for moving average. Then I think it will still have the good chance to retest the resistance of $26.6. All right. So yeah, so that's my review on this chart of Suncor Energy. So yeah, so that's all for my analysis for this video. We have discussed the chart of three major indices and also two counters. Yep, which there's a lot of point that you need to monitor, especially for those who are having holdings in it. All right. So lastly, I hope that you learned something from this video, and please comment below if you want us to do analysis on any counters, whether you're holding or not. All right. So if you have chance, we will do for you. So if you like our content, yeah, don't forget to hit the like and share button, and also subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our next stock analysis video. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'm TA Buplay, your trading buddy. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.